Optional optical character recognition, or OCR, allows you to quickly and accurately convert hard copy documents into electronic files that can be edited, searched, or shared in PDF format.
For this example, we'll save an OCR'd PDF file to a USB drive. Make sure optional OCR is enabled on the device. Insert a USB drive. Select Store File. Select Functions and arrow down to the second page. Select File Format. Select OCR to On. Select your language preference, then select OK. There are also additional options you can choose here. Then click OK. Place the documents in the document processor and press the green Start button. You can then remove the USB drive. Insert the USB at your PC and open the file you scanned. The PDF is now searchable with OCR.